Hello. Once upon a time, there's a big house where two lions are living. This is a dada tiger and this is a
Vishi tiger.
baby tiger.
No, Vishi tiger.
They are traveling to the jungle all together.
Yes.
And now they are coming back to their home.
Mama
Now
tiger यहाँ पे आएगी. Horse को ना.
baby tiger is coming
Knock,
to home.
knock.
Knock knock. Please open the door.
Oh, what's
I'm
that?
coming to home. Please open.
I am Vishi tiger.
Please open the door.
Okay.
Thank you.
Welcome. I am stuck.
Oh, today I'm very tired. I will take a rest. Oh, where is the daddy tiger?
You know.
Where is the daddy tiger?
Here.
Okay. Daddy tiger is also coming to his home. He is also very tired. Knock knock. Please
I am-
open the door.
Oh, ये नहीं आ रहा.
Thank you very much. I'm coming through this gate. Thank you. I am very much tired. Today I
You
have...
already sleep. Goodbye.
Okay.
What's over here?
I am going to take rest. Please don't disturb to me. I am very
यहाँ
much
पे यहाँ सो रहा है.
tired.
I'm tired, mommy.
Baby tiger, wait.
That's wrong. I am very tired.
Today we
Daddy
have
tiger.
enjoyed
Okay.
too
Go
much.
sleep. Okay.
This is now time to sleep. So we are going to sleep.
Bye.
Bye bye. Good night. Let's sleep.
Oi.